Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money selling YouTube thumbnails in 2025 without even designing them yourself. That's right, you can make money using AI tools to create stunning thumbnails, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. So let's get started. Look at these incredible thumbnails, all created by AI. Take a look at Mr. Beast's thumbnail. Insane, right? But here's the cool part. You don't have to design them yourself. You can use an AI tool called Pixels to create thumbnails for yourself or for others, and sell them on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Today, I'll show you how to use Pixels to create thumbnails, how to edit them, and how you can start selling these on freelance platforms to make some extra money. Let's get into the first step, signing up for Pixels. For your convenience, I've included a link in the description so you can try Pixels for free. Click that link and create an account so you can follow along in this video and open the official website. Once you're there, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. From here, click on Login with Discord. It'll take you to Discord, where you just scroll down and click Authorize. That's it. Your sign up is complete, and now you're ready to start creating thumbnails. Now that we're signed up, let's take a look at the interface. On your dashboard, you'll see three main options available: thumbnail, recreate, and faces swap. The thumbnail and recreate features cost 10 credits each, while the face swap feature costs only 3 credits. When you sign up, you get 50 free credits to start with, so you can dive right in and try out the features. Let's start by using the thumbnail feature. For this, we're going to create a custom thumbnail from scratch. To do that, click on Thumbnail, and a prompt will appear asking you to describe the thumbnail you want to create. For example, let's type a bright and colorful thumbnail with a man jumping off a cliff into water. Then, click Generate. Give it a few seconds and Pixels will generate an amazing thumbnail for you based on your description. And there you go. What an amazing thumbnail it has generated. You can also click Edit to make any further changes, or click Redo if you want to try a new version of the thumbnail. Pixels is super fast, and the results are always impressive. Now, let's talk about the Recreate feature. This one is really cool because it lets you recreate thumbnails from popular YouTube videos. Let's say you want to create a thumbnail like Mr. Beast's thumbnail for his video, $1 versus $500,000 experiences. And go ahead and copy the URL of that video and paste it into the Pixels Recreate option. Once you paste the URL, you can choose the inspiration weight. This determines how closely you want the new thumbnail to resemble the original. You can choose low, medium, or high. For this example, I'm going to choose medium. Pixels will then ask you what changes you'd like to make. For example, I'll type add more details to the thumbnail and change the face of the person. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, Pixels will create an incredible thumbnail based on the Mr. Beast video with the changes I requested. Look at how amazing this thumbnail looks. You can then use the Edit button to make any further tweaks, or if you're not happy with it, click Redo to try a different version. Lastly, let's check out the Faces Swap feature. This is another unique option that you can use to swap faces in a thumbnail. Just click on the Faces Swap option and either paste the URL of any thumbnail or upload a thumbnail you want to modify. Then, upload the face picture you want to use. Click Generate, and Pixels will swap the faces for you. So now you know how to use the basic features of Pixels. But the real question is, how can you make money with this? The answer is simple. Sell your AI-generated thumbnails. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients looking for thumbnail designers, and you can offer these services using Pixels. For example, on Fiverr, people are charging anywhere from $5 to $20 per thumbnail. If you start selling thumbnails at $10 each, you can easily make $50 or more in a day, depending on how many clients you get. The best part is that you're not spending hours designing them yourself. You're using pixels to generate them in just minutes, and you're still making a great profit. So, let's talk about pricing. With pixels, you get 2,400 credits for just $14 per month. That's a crazy deal when you think about how many thumbnails you can create with that. If you're only making a few thumbnails per week, the $14 plan is all you need. But if you want to create thumbnails faster and sell more, the premium plan gives you even more credits and faster rendering times. In fact, if you're selling thumbnails for $5 each, you can make back your subscription with just 3 clients. After that, it's all profit. You can scale up, sell more thumbnails, and make this your side hustle or even your full-time business. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description to try Pixels for free. Trust me, this tool is a game changer. So, sign up, create your first thumbnail, and start making money today.